I need buns and 3 meat pie. Today is my workout day. May I show my coach? Hi guys. The baby say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is my workout day. As you can see, so I am heading there right now. I'm heading. I don't pass. So okay, no. So I'm heading there right now. Yeah, so that is the updates for now. By the way, this is a new vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Okay. May I show my coach? Hi. Hi guys. The baby say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So this is, I'll say this time. I'll say
7.
So this is 7 p.m. We are currently at the mall to get some stuffs for the house, and we would like to carry you guys along. So yeah, let's go. Bye. Bring 5. I need buns and 3 meat pie.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me
unbox this bag. Let's unbox this new collection in our shop. Guys, this is a banger. Can you see? It didn't come with carton, but the packaging is top notch. Okay, this one is also sealed, like from the leather sealed, the dust bag sealed, and now look at this one, like well sealed. Wow, you guys, look at that. Look at our bag. Look at our bag. So beautiful, so lovely. It also has this purse in it, this big portable purse. This is how the inside is. So guys, let's see. So look at the material, very soft, very well, you see, very well sewed. This quality bag. So here is the handles. I guess this is for the big bag. Let me figure out how. Okay, I'll probably go back to the picture to find out how I can fix it. Okay. Here is it. This is this one. Okay. So you guys, this is our luxury bag. Okay, you can even choose to carry it like this, because it's actually, the strap is very long, it's long enough. Can you see this details here and then here? Like, I'm so loving it. I am so loving it. Okay, it is giving what it should give, luxury or nothing. So you guys, we also have it in pink. It comes in this color and the pink color. Yeah, so hurry now while the stock class, and I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. Bye for now. Okay, love you guys.